you remember? I told you he's shy and soft. Talks very little. We gaze at people and laugh a lot. We wait for the sun to set and talk about the color red. He likes mangoes more than me, but would go miles to bring me blueberries. I told you, didn't I? We named his dog Husk and love him so much. We paint the walls and live our dreams. We love mountains over the beach. Oh, I forgot to tell, did I? I talked to you about this tale, about him and I. You'd remember this beautiful tale, right? It's not about if he left, it's about the rest. Wouldn't you remember these memories of my unseen joy? My treasures of a lifetime.